Hi guys, just a very quick video of this. I said I would do some benchmarking on the various ways that we can load in data into Power Query. The first one will be to load our million record file, which I'll give a link to the video where we generated that. And we'll just do a quick stopwatch on it. So the file is actually called FTP data. So I'll just be as quick as I can, opening it and hitting the start, and we'll see how we go. It's fairly quick, so we'll just do a quick load. Probably knock a few seconds off really, because we can just do it from the loading part rather than the review part. It's probably round about the size of the file. Doing its million things, whatever it does. There we go. So we can probably say that it's actually loaded that now. 32 seconds and well, we'll say 33 seconds. So we'll just make a quick note of that. I'll just do that locally. So that's 33 seconds. What we can do now is we'll load through the local web server that we did before. So we'll do that. So we'll go to the web. So to the local file store anyway. So we want HTTP and it's in local host. It was port 2000 we used. It's pqloadcsv.php and the file is called ftp data.csv, and we'll just give it our little rand here to make a difference. So we'll do that. So we'll have an OK, and we'll actually wait until we actually do the load on this one. So if we do load and start, and we'll see how that does. It should be relatively quick. There we are, it's battering through that. So 10 seconds, it seems to be a bit quicker than actually loading through the CSV file. It's probably because it's doing a lot less work, I would imagine. There we go. So we've now got around about 27 seconds. We'll just make a quick note of that. And the next way we can load it is by going to a remote web server, which I've set up already using the way that we've been doing it previously. So we'll do that. So we'll go to HTTPS. We'll use the secure, and we want to go to PHP 500 dot Azure Web Sites .net, and it's pqloadcsv.php, and again FTP data, which I think is what I called it. We'll just have a look. FTP data, yeah, we'll do that. So that's FTP data.csv, and we'll give it a rand of that. We'll reset. Say OK. So it's gone. So we'll wait until we just go to our load. So we'll go load and start. We should get a little message again. Yeah. So we're off doing that now. Again, relatively quick. Yeah, getting there, almost to a million. So again, that's around about 24 seconds. So it's pretty much the same speed. So we'll stop that. And now what I'll do is I'll actually switch to my local PC, and I'll reload it across the internet from Azure, and we'll just see how that works. I just have a domestic broadband connection, so we'll just see how that goes. It's actually interesting to see it. He's actually doing a bit more work here, but it's once the data is actually into Azure, it'll do whatever it needs to do. So I shall just pause the video and then we'll switch back. Hey guys, right, I've just switched over to my local PC. Just type the URL in, so we'll just do a quick OK. Let the PC do its thing. It's quite a powerful PC, but it can be a little slow. So we'll just wait until we do that. So we'll do our load again. This is the Windows stopwatch, which doesn't seem to exist on Windows Server. So doing a small amount of work, creating the local connections, and we should start seeing it doing the loading of rows fairly soon. You can see now it's substantially slower doing it on a domestic PC than it is from an actual Azure VM. But I think in an organization where you actually have this on a desktop, you would probably have a faster network to do it. But, yeah, waiting for me now. Right. Yeah, that's significantly slow. I think we saw before about the first message we got was about 250,000. But it's it's getting there. A million is a lot of rows. People do work from home. Say I'm on my fiber broadband, so it's reasonably quick. All the other stuff, the Azure stuff, should be relatively static, constant between whatever environment you do it in. We get there about just over halfway through now. We'll come up. We'll do that. So hovering over my pause key for when it ends, because you see I've tried to end it around about the same place. So we're doing there. So we're getting very, very close to 1 million now. There we go, 1 million. So that was around about 1 minute and 31. So it's around about, what should we say, about 3 or 4 times slower. So I'll just cancel that. I don't need that to go any further. So that's it really. So I'll just do a little slide as well, and I'll put that up, and you can see where what the difference in speed is. So that was just a little video to do that, guys. So I'll see you in the next one.